Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today, we're talking about how you can start earning money right from your phone. That's right, no need for fancy equipment or a ton of experience. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash or even build a full side hustle, I've got you covered with some of the easiest and most accessible ways to start earning today. So, grab your phone, and let's dive into the best ways to make money that anyone can do, even if you're a complete beginner. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to start earning. You might be thinking, how can I actually make money with just my phone? Well, the good news is, there are tons of legitimate ways to do this without needing any special skills. We're talking about simple apps and platforms that anyone can use, and many of them even let you make money in your spare time. So, whether you're on your daily commute, waiting for your coffee, or relaxing at home, your phone can be your ticket to some extra income. From surveys and cashback rewards to selling items and offering services, the options are endless. So, let's go through some of the most popular and easiest side hustles for beginners. Our first easy hustle is something that's been around for a while, taking online surveys. This is probably one of the most beginner-friendly ways to make money in your phone. The best part, you don't need any prior experience, and you can do it at your own pace. Apps like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Pinecone Research are popular for offering paid surveys. You'll fill out a quick questionnaire, and depending on the length and complexity, you'll earn points or cash. Now, you're not going to get rich by taking surveys, but it's a great way to earn a bit of pocket money. Plus, you can use these apps for other things like watching videos, shopping online, or playing games to earn even more rewards. A good tip is to sign up for multiple survey platforms to maximize the number of surveys you get. Just make sure you're consistent, and over time, those small payouts will start to add up. Next up, let's talk about cashback and rewards apps. This is a fantastic way to make money or save money while doing things you already do, like shopping or even just going about your daily routine. Apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, and Dosh reward you with cashback for making purchases at certain stores or even online. All you have to do is link your credit card or bank account, and the app does the rest. For example, Rakuten gives you cashback for shopping at major retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and Target. Every time you make a purchase through the app, you get a percentage back. It's that simple. Ibotta works similarly by giving you rebates when you buy items in stores or online. You can even scan receipts to earn rewards. Plus, they often have bonus offers that can help you rack up even more cashback. These apps are great because you're not spending extra money, you're just getting rewarded for what you're already buying. Now, let's talk about turning your old stuff into cash. You'd be amazed at how much stuff you have around your house that could make you some extra money. Apps like eBay, Poshmark, Depop, and Facebook Marketplace let you easily sell unwanted items. Clothes, electronics, furniture, and even books. If you've got it, you can probably sell it. These apps make it super easy to upload photos, list your items, and set your price, all from your phone. If you have stuff that's just sitting around, why not turn it into cash? Poshmark, for example, is a popular platform for selling clothing and accessories. And the best part is, you can make money off things you no longer wear or use. It's like decluttering your space and making money at the same time. So, go ahead, look around your house, find some unused items, and turn them into your next side hustle. Alright, for those of you who want to take your skills and talents to the next level, freelancing is a great option. Don't worry if you don't have any formal experience. There are plenty of apps that can help you get started, even if you're a beginner. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to offer services right from your phone. Whether you're into writing, graphic design, voiceovers, or social media management, there's always a demand for your skills. Even if you don't have a ton of experience yet, these platforms allow you to start small and build your reputation. In fact, Fiverr lets you list services starting at just $5. You'd be surprised how many people are looking for basic tasks, like writing blog posts or creating simple graphics. As you build your profile and get good reviews, you can start charging more and work your way up to bigger projects. If you have a skill or knowledge to share, tutoring and teaching can be a great way to make money. The best part, you can do this all from your phone. Apps like VIPKid and Chegg allow you to teach English online or tutor students in various subjects. If you have a specialty, like math or science, this could be a perfect fit for you. VIPKid, for example, lets you teach English to students in China. All you need is a degree and some teaching experience, and you can start making money while helping others learn. And for those who aren't necessarily teachers, Skillshare lets you create courses and earn money every time someone enrolls. If you've got a skill, Whether it's photography, writing, or coding, you can turn that into a course and teach it to others. Another great way to make money on your phone is by completing small tasks for others. These might be as simple as testing websites, transcribing audio, or tagging photos. Apps like TaskRabbit, Gigwalk, and Clickworker let you complete small jobs in your local area or online. TaskRabbit, for instance, connects you with people who need help with things like moving, assembling furniture, or running errands. These gigs are perfect if you want to earn money on the side without a long-term commitment. And the best part, you can pick tasks that fit your schedule. As you can see, there are so many ways to earn money with just your phone, whether you're answering surveys, selling stuff, freelancing, or doing micro tasks. The key is to find something that works for you and stick with it. My biggest tip: try a few of these methods, and see which ones you enjoy and can do consistently. Don't be discouraged if you don't make a lot right away. Building a side hustle takes time. But with patience and consistency, you can definitely make some extra cash. So, now that you have some options, which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more tips in making money, side hustles, and personal finance. And remember, making money with your phone is easier than you think, and it's all about taking the first step. Catch you next time. Until then, happy hustling.